Hi everyone and welcome to Nikki's Kitchen. Today I'll be teaching you how to make stir-fried black pepper beef. So let's get started. For this recipe you'll need 4 to 5 peppers thinly sliced, 3 slices of ginger and 4 green onions cut into 1.5 inch in size. Here I have 1.5 pounds of steak. Now let's prepare the sauce. You'll need 1.5 cups of cold water, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And mix all the ingredients well. Let's marinate your beef. You will need 1 tablespoon of Shaohsing wine, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch will help tenderize the beef. Then add in 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and combine well. Now let's stir fry the ingredients. On high heat, add in 1 cup of vegetable oil. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the beef. Add in your beef and stir fry until the beef is 90% cooked. If you want to know more about my channel, hit the subscribe button for the latest updates and videos. And remove the beef from the pan and set it aside. Now let's combine all the ingredients together. On high heat, add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add in your sliced ginger. Then add in a teaspoon of minced garlic and stir fry for 1 minute. Now add in your peppers and stir fry for 2 minutes. Now add in your beef and stir fry until fully cooked. Try not to add the juice from the beef. Then add in a tablespoon of black pepper. Now pour in your sauce that you made earlier, making sure to stir first before you add it. Then stir fry until the sauce thickens. Then add in a teaspoon of salt and combine well. Then add in your green onions and cook for 1 minute. And this is how it should look like when you're done cooking. And here you have it, simple stir-fried black pepper beef. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and give me a big thumbs up. Bye for now, see you next time.